Good morning from Abilene, Texas. I'm back on the road and I'm back at it. I took an extra day's rest in Lubbock, which was so nice and much needed. I will say well deserved too, but I am ready to get back at it, like I said, and I'm starting the day off at Elmwood Antique Center. This is cute. Oh, it's a single shaker. I guess she's missing her lamb. And then, of course, I noticed the owl, the vinegar and oils that never sells well for me. Oh my gosh, how fabulous is this book? I love the images on that. Well, this case definitely has my attention. I love that bracelet. Oh, the daisy pin. That's at $12.50 though. That's a little close. And the strawberry. That bracelet's neat. Oh my gosh, how cute. And the little powder jar. I've been super into vintage makeup and vanity stuff. Oh my gosh, look at the camel hat. That's so funny. And then the little pig. Cute. All right, and here we go. Look at this one. How funny. $3. He's kind of fabulous. Maybe I'll pick that up. Of course, the bone china cats. These are Taiwan. I don't see a price on those. This one's kind of funny too. This one's $3 too. I think this one's pretty great. I don't think it would sell for that much, but it's a fun little knick-knack. Wait. Hold on. This is way better. This is way more interesting to me. This is fantastic. $20 though. That's about what that would sell for. Maybe I'll leave the dog. I'm waiting for something to really wow me. This is super pretty, even though it's not usually my thing. $5. It's kind of nice, actually. Oh, and look at this funny rabbit. Wait, this is fantastic. I love the polka dot. That's a cotton ball holder. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start a pile. I'm gonna take these two things. I feel pretty good about it. All right, I started my pile and I grabbed a basket. Look at this hat. These are fabulous. I love the blue one and the pink one. $10, how sweet. Look at this pink one. That's so nice. Wait, does that say $5? Well, we have to get that for $5. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, wait, look at that feathered one up there. Oh, I don't know how to get up there though. I'm not asking this lady for a ladder. She's like, not, I don't feel like troubling her for it. Dang. Well, I used this to get the hat down. Unfortunately, the tag is stuck. That's not gonna happen, I don't think. Yes, I've given it my best old college try, but it's just not gonna happen without a proper ladder. So I am gonna let it go and move on. The day is young. I'm only like a couple booths deep into my first stop. Oh my gosh, I love the earring holder. That is a super cute one. Well, it looks like everything I'm interested in. I can't see the price tag on it. I'm looking at that compact. That lucite purse is amazing. Maybe I will just get the keys. It's like two things. Oh my gosh, wait, look at these. That's amazing. I think those are Russian ornaments. That compact, the price is blocked, so is the earring holder. Let's see what's in here. I like those pink buttons. There's a lot of cases back here. Oh my gosh, I'm not normally much of like this is Napco, I think, but I am obsessed with it. Oh, it's got a hairline. $18 in a hairline. I can't justify that for resale. Super cute though. Oh my gosh, holy cows. Literally. Everything in booth half price? Wait, what? Is that for real? I think it is. Let's get some keys. So she went to go get me the keys. Oh my gosh, how funny. This is only $3. So this booth is half off, so I'm just gonna start going at it. I love that. For $3, I'm gonna take that. kind of cute. It's got a little wear to it. Trivets, I do sometimes. I got one in, where did I get one? Vegas. And they're kind of just a pain to ship because of the cast iron. I like to combine my shipping, so I get nervous shipping cast iron with the little tiny ceramics and bone china I usually sell. And then across the way, we have 20%. Super cute booth. Although I'm kind of hyper, oh my gosh, what is this shirt? How fantastic. I'm kind of hyper focused on the purple cow situation. Now I'm gonna grab some of the salt and pepper shakers. Now, I know I just said that the oil and vinegar don't usually sell well for me. However, those tall cows, those are really hard to find, and they're so fabulous. They look like they're in pristine condition. For $7.50, I feel completely comfortable doing that. Yeah, I'm probably gonna grab one of these and one of these. Oh, there's so many fun ones. It's so overwhelming. The creamer, I think it comes with the sugar. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with the sugar bowl. Is it repaired or is it just like a weird line in its face? Oh my gosh. This booth is half price too. Well, let's keep going in the meantime. Cupcake jar. Gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Oh, whoa. Hold up. I know there's like so much I'm passing, but I have to get over here. First of all, this cute little cat figurine, that would be $1. I'm not sure what's going on with that marking. Let me put that down. Get back to that. These are adorable, these cat. What are these, salt and pepper shakers? No, they're just a pair for $2.50. I'll take those. The deer are $1 each. Oh, that one's broken. Oh, wait, no, is it? Yeah, that one's broken. I'll take these 3. So a lot more of them had damage than I had seen in the case, unfortunately. I did grab this set for $7.50 and one of the ones that has like the little apple baskets on the side. The other ones all had damage, so I didn't feel like messing with it. At this point, it's just not worth getting damaged items because I'm going so many places and I'm seeing so much stuff and I have so much stuff in my car. Now, let me go back to here. All right, let's see. Where do we leave off? The dachshund. The little lions. I mean, this is only $1. I kind of feel like, why not? What's this guy at? 10. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that. I've had that one before. I love the Shirley Temple. That one is marked firm. Such a cute picture, and it's a great frame. What about this little photo album here? That's pretty cute. Okay, so it's got some empty pages. It's only $4. I don't know. I think that's kind of nice. I don't know how well it would do. Kind of want to pick it up anyway. What about over here? Air France vanity kit. How neat. That's kind of cool. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend, although I feel like Air France is pretty collectible. I could have just made that up, but let's see. What about over here? Fabergé. Oh my gosh, how fun. What's this Daisy box? Daisy Fresh. It's a tin. $1.50. It's got some damage. Oh, I'm really trying not to pick up damaged items. It's so cheap. Lady Esther. $1. It's got some wear on it. Oh, that's so fun. Touch of Fire. Wait, that's a great tin. For $4, I am gonna pick that up. I love the graphic on that. And then, what about this one? It's, oh, this is overwhelming. Let's see, what, OJ's body lotion. How funny. And then what about in here? Looks like there's some pin cushions, sewing stuff. I guess I should check how much these amber glass birds are while I'm back here. $25 set of 2, so $12.50 for 2. That's such a good price. Oh, that's such a good price. What is this down here? Oh my gosh, how funny. Oh, it's got a little stain on it. I think it's amazing though. It's like a yarn octopus with googly eyes. What is, let me put this basket down. What is that chick thing back there? Oh, how fun. Japan, $10. He's pretty great. Is there a discount in this place? No. Still at $10. I think he's quite fantastic. It's definitely a little bit more than I'd like to pay, but my cost average right now is insanely good. What is this? Oh, it's a Mother Texas. I think these are so fun. I've never really had much luck with them, but I guess it's also been like a year since I tried my hand at them. Oh gosh, I touched something that had like perfume remnants on it or something. And, oh, I'm gonna be paying for that all day. So cute. What is this stack of handkerchiefs? Oh, hold on, I'm stuck. Let's see. Thursday. Cute, but oh my gosh, so funny. Oh my gosh, but wait. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, and it's not even broken. This is fantastic. So, right? I'm making sure, actually, yeah. For $5, I'm definitely scooping this up. This is fabulous. All right, so now I am coming to my senses. This is very cute, but $10 is a little much for me to pay at this point in the game. I feel like I just want to go to as many places as I can, and I'm kind of stressed out, honestly. Oh my gosh, how cute. This is fun too. $12. That is adorable. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with my gut. I know it's fabulous and I could make some money off of it, but being a little picky and a little weird. What's this hiding back here? Oh, it's like a little votive. I thought it was like a makeup brush holder or something. More of these little tins and boxes. Ooh, I like the looks of what's going on here. That bag's new, but it's really fun. This is the one that really caught my attention. $35. Oh my gosh, so fantastic, the lucite. Oh, that, you know what was really cool? That bubble purse I saw in Arkansas. I kind of wish I'd grabbed that. Bracelets. Oh, how nice. Let's see, what does this say? $5. I really like these silver ones. I am gonna get one of these sets of 3 for $5. It's really pretty. And what's this back here? Travel with a celebrity? Oh my gosh, how funny. It's a vintage travel case. That's kind of fun. For $8? I think this is really neat. So, I think I'm gonna get it. And what about this jewelry box? I don't see a price tag on the jewelry box. Oh, I touched something that stinks, and now I'm like, now I don't know what stinks and what doesn't, because my hands stink. How fun. Reprint though, I think. Oh. Oh my gosh. A Richard original with the original fruit and everything for $7. Oh, I love the ones with the fruit on it. What's going on with this shell bag? $55. That's fabulous. All right, on to the next one. Wait. Oh, it's a single shaker. Dang. That's a really good set. Let's see. The Thames pig for my vacation. So cute. $20. I never had the most luck with that stuff. I still pick it up from time to time, but it has to be cheap or super, oh my gosh, so cute. What's happening in here? Oh my gosh, is this a knotter? It is. See, this is $10 worthy. I did leave one of these behind the other day and I felt really upset about it, but it was $15. This one's at $10. These are super hard to find, especially as a knotter. I'm gonna grab that. And then this Lefton or Napco, I can't remember, cat. It's only at $4. That's pretty decent. I'm gonna grab that too. Let's see, what is this funny thing back here? Oh my gosh, how cute. It's probably, oh yeah, it's new, 2006. Oh, but it's so fun. I think I kind of want to get it anyway and break my rule. It's not like a rule, but yeah, this is really cute. And what about this one? That one's at $6. What? We'll take that. This one's at $35. These guys. No price. Oh, I also have to remember that some of this stuff needs to go in my sale with Yvonne and Kathy on YouTube, which I'm crazy enough to keep doing. Despite all that's going on. These are at $10. I feel like those would do really well, the brass cats. Yeah, so I have to pick out stuff for that sale because I don't have it in me to start unboxing everything that I'd set aside. Wait, but there's more. And this little cat box is fantastic. For $8, I think I will add this to my sale with Kathy and Yvonne. I just need to remember to put a couple things aside. And this little chair pin cushion. Oh my gosh, so cute. And a heart pin cushion. That's sweet. Well, I ended up spending $108 there. I am ready to go on to my next stop. I will see you guys when I get there.